How to learn machine learning at home. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence, AI, that has become increasingly important in recent years. It involves using statistical models and algorithms to enable machines to learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that learning. If you're interested in learning machine learning at home, there are several steps you can take to get started. This video will explore the best ways to learn machine learning from home and equip yourself with the skills you need to succeed in this field. Understand the basics of machine learning and prerequisites. Before diving into the world of machine learning, it's important to understand the basic concepts that underlie it. It includes regression, classification, clustering, and neural networks. Knowledge of programming languages such as Python, R, or MATLAB is also essential, as most machine learning algorithms are implemented using these languages. It is recommended to understand statistics and probability theory, which are the basis of many machine learning concepts. Having a general understanding of computer science and data structures is also beneficial. Choose your learning path. Machine learning is a vast field, and there are various learning paths that you can choose from depending on your interests and career goals. Some popular paths include learning the basics of machine learning algorithms, data pre-processing, data visualization, model selection and evaluation, and deep learning. You can also focus on a particular domain, such as computer vision, natural language processing, or reinforcement learning. Choose a programming language. Machine learning relies heavily on programming, and you'll need to know at least one programming language to work with ML libraries and frameworks. Python is a popular language for ML due to its simplicity and ease of use, but other languages, such as R and Java, can also be used. Some popular ML libraries are available for different programming languages, such as TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, Keras for Python, and Caret, and MLR for R. Online courses and tutorials. Many e-learning platforms offer comprehensive courses on machine learning. These courses are designed to cater to the needs of both beginners and advanced learners and are usually self-paced, allowing you to learn at your convenience. Here are some specific resources for online courses and tutorials. Coursera. Coursera offers a wide variety of machine learning courses taught by professors from top universities. Udacity. Udacity also offers a range of machine learning courses, including a nano-degree program in machine learning that provides students with a comprehensive understanding of the field. However, most of Udacity's courses require payment for enrollment. Google's Machine Learning Crash Course. The course offered by Google is self-paced and includes interactive visualizations and coding exercises. Practice with real-world projects. Practice with real-world projects is a crucial aspect of learning machine learning, as it allows students to apply the concepts and theories they have learned to real-world problems. This hands-on approach helps students to gain practical experience and develop problem-solving skills, which are essential for a career in machine learning. Some of the platforms that can be useful are coming next. Kaggle. Kaggle is a platform for data scientists and machine learning engineers that offers a range of online competitions and challenges to help people improve their skills. These challenges can be a fun way to learn machine learning while also getting exposure to real-world data sets and problems. GitHub. GitHub is a platform where developers can share their code and collaborate on projects. Many machine learning projects are available on GitHub to help you learn and practice. You can search for repositories that match your interests and skill level and then fork them to your account to make changes and experiment with different approaches. Build your projects. Building your machine learning projects is one of the best ways to learn. You can choose a problem or a data set that interests you and then work on building a model to solve it. This will help you understand the different steps involved in the machine learning process, such as data preparation, model selection, and evaluation. Conclusion. In conclusion, learning machine learning at home is an exciting and challenging journey. It requires a solid understanding of the basics of machine learning, mathematical concepts, programming languages, and computer science. Choosing a learning path and programming language and taking online courses and tutorials can help you gain knowledge and practical. Practicing with real-world projects is crucial for applying the concepts learned and developing problem-solving skills. Platforms such as Kaggle, GitHub, and building your projects provide opportunities to do so. By following these steps and continuously practicing, you can become proficient in machine learning and develop a promising career in this field. All the required links to learn machine learning are given in the description.